Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. In the last video we unboxed all the parts that I got for the rear end to rebuild it. So in this episode we're just going to be taking the rear end out, cleaning it up, and trying to get it ready for paint. I also mentioned in the previous video that we had to modify the housing to be able to make it work for a 3-channel car, because this rear end came out of a 4-channel car. Since this is a 4-channel car, the axles had reluctor wheels that was located right here, so it had a sensor on each side. So you had a sensor down here and then a sensor down here. Now for a 3-channel car you don't have that. In a 3-channel car, at the top of the housing, right about here, you had one sensor that was through the housing, and you didn't have traction control. So we're going to have to modify this housing to make it work. So all we gotta do is just drill a hole right here for the sensor. We're gonna use the same sensor out of the car I got now. But that's enough of talking. Let's go ahead and get this rear end outside, pressure washed and cleaned up. Before we do spray it purple power, let's go ahead and get those brake lines off. The brake lines off, and let's get the harness off. Well, I'm not using the harness, so it don't matter. But leave the harness, because we don't really need the harness. Alright, so we got the brake lines tied up so water don't get inside them. So now I can get some degreaser and start spraying now. Alright y'all, so I got some degreaser and start spraying. I don't know if it got any cleaner, but I sure did get soaked. It's getting better. Grease some few little spots. Alright, so now that we got it pressure washed, now we'll go ahead and air dry it with the air hose. So next will be to sand it and paint it. I just might not show y'all that, just skip that and just do that off camera. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next episode where we'll be modifying the housing and assembling everything together. Y'all stay tuned for that. And next I'll have another video, us putting in the car and testing it out. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay tuned, and I will see y'all in the next one.
We make the streams louder.